Hi everybody, welcome back to Codemotion. I'm really happy to present Sven Peters to you. Hi Sven.
Hi, how are you doing?
First of all, you just gave an awesome keynote. So how did it go? What are your feelings?
I think, I think it went great. I think people were very passionate about what I was talking. So it seems like culture is a very important thing for everyone to put forward, and to have a culture that enables them to do the best work of their lives is, I think, pretty important. And the people were feeling that this is something they should more work on, instead of just taking the technical challenges, but also work more on a team level, how to work better together as a team and as an organization as a whole, and how to bring in more the customer opinions. I think, people liked it.
Tell us something more about this coding culture.
Yeah, so the culture you're building in your company is really the enabler for you to drive things forward. I have the opinion that you can have a medium technology stack that is maybe not the newest one and the sophisticated one, but if you have a great team of great people, and you understand the customer needs, and you're driving things, you can drive things forward in a fast way. That's so much more important than what technology you're working on. We're thinking about technology all the time. We're thinking about, okay, this is the coolest database, this is the fastest database, but working on the team to build great stuff is, in my opinion, much more important. And we don't. As especially as developers, we don't think about those things too much. I mean, I'm a developer too, so I also think I need to improve the code. The code should be clean, the quality should be great. But then on the other side, working together with my team, I'm working together with my team on the code, and working on that is super much important.
And you work for Atlassian that provides tools for every kind of team. So startups included, to unleash their full potential. So do you have any tips for the startups here at Codemotion?
In terms of Atlassian? Well, so go with an easy technology stack first. Don't think about, even though I'm from Atlassian, don't think about the tools too much. Just think about what you want to build and how you want to build it. Think about how you can communicate in the fastest way, especially if you're in a startup and sitting in one room. Communication face-to-face goes pretty smooth. If you have a remote worker, think about how you want to include those people in the communication too. So yes, I mean, just try to start and work on stuff, and all these organizational things come later if you're growing, and don't think about technology in the tools that you use in the first hand. It's pretty much if you need a taskboard, put on a taskboard, put in some post-its. It's always, if you're growing, you probably think more about tooling. But this is something, especially when you grow, or if you're not working in the same room. And need to be more organized than this way, because the more people you add to your team, to your organization, the more communication has to be done. It's always like this. If you add one more person, the communication is growing. So if in terms of if you're growing, you should start thinking about these things. If you're just 2 persons, 3 persons in one room, small startup, great. But if you hit the 10, 15 number, then just think about a good tooling, how you can work better together in tools too.
And you have a long experience as technical speaker, and this is your first time here at Codemotion. So what's your opinion about this event?
So what I like with Codemotion is actually that here students and professional developers that are 10 years in the business are coming together. And also, it's totally important to see the students from students' point of view, to see how, when they finished with the study, how it really looks in organizations. And I see that always that people are just surprised what's happening. They thought they just sit there and code, but the truth is out there. If you're a student, the truth is maybe you spend 20%, 30% on coding. The rest you're sitting in meetings, talking about how you build better software for your customer, organizing you as a team. So this is really the reality, and it could be sometimes shocking. So this Codemotion really brings together both worlds, and students are more prepared for their jobs in the real world. That's what I really like here.
Thank you very much for coming, for being here.
Thank you for having me. It was great.
Thanks, and see you soon, maybe.
All right. Thank you.